My Dollar Tree actually had some newer items that weren't Christmas items and weren't fall items that I wanted to share with you all, so I thought we could put these to good use. First up, I found these new glue gun pads. These will be so handy for my crafting table. I found them in pink and blue. I actually got behind the worker that was stocking these on the shelf, so they were brand new to my store. These are going to be so handy just to keep right beside my glue gun. I can just kind of pitch it down. It'll catch all of the extra glue that's going to drip off. It says these are heat resistant, non-skid, and they seem to work really great. A fun hack is that you can actually draw out little designs with your glue gun. Now the first one I was just playing around. I wasn't really going to draw snowflakes, but the second one I tried to make it a little bit more symmetrical. But you can just like draw out whatever you want with your hot glue, let it dry or cool off completely, and then they just easily peel up off of this mat. And I decided to glue mine down with just a tiny dot of hot glue on this hurricane vase or candle holder, and I feel like it looks absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be so perfect for like winter and Christmas decor. Next up, these little folding signs were new to my store. It has like a house on the left hand side, and then it has just a normal sign. I thought these little hinges would be really fun to take advantage of, so I actually removed it from the signs, just leaving behind the little houses. They had a couple of different designs of these, so I got two of the like wooden houses and one of the white house, and then screwed it to the other house. So this actually worked better than expected. I thought they looked so cute in a set of 3. You could set this up on a shelf. It would go perfect right now for any style of decor, but I also thought it would be fun if you wanted to take the time. You could turn this into a Christmas village, maybe dab a little white paint on the roof, so or maybe add some little faux snow. But I thought this was too cute, and I love how this turned out, and they actually put the leftover signs to good use. So after I used the house, I had these left behind, and they were actually like really cute designs, so I thought that I would frame them out. So using some of the Dollar Tree wooden pieces, I just cut it down using my miter box and saw. I picked this up at Walmart. I get a lot of questions about it, but I glued the little wood pieces together after sanding them down and getting them cut to the right size, and then I filled in the cracks with some wood filler, painted it white, and then just attached it back inside of this frame with some glue, and it instantly made like a really cute little decor piece. And I was so happy not to put anything to waste, but actually getting to reuse these little extra signs. One of my favorite Dollar Trees that I traveled to just recently got the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was actually the first time that I had purchased anything from Dollar Tree Plus. I found these little metal trucks. Now they had a couple of different colors, but I decided to go with this white one. I thought I could use it as fall, just as it is, but I also had a fun idea. Since this was very easy to remove, I thought I could enjoy it like that and then just pick it up and add in a Christmas little greenery. Now this truck was $5, but I love how plain it is. It's metal, it's sturdy. You could easily spray paint this to fit any type of like decor that you would like, or any style of decor, but just put one of these little Hobby Lobby picks in the back, added in some red little berries, and this is something that I could easily keep making little arrangements for the back for each season, but definitely get the biggest bang for my buck. So I was really excited for just a $5 price point. My dollar store had an entire wall full of like new signs that I haven't seen before. I was so excited, including these little laundry hooks. Now these are kind of small just to hang up as is, but if you take 3 of these, I put one, like the white different one, in the center, but just pull out the hooks in the back, and then I attached all of these together, and it makes such a bigger impact on the wall. And I feel like this looks like a super nice piece, adding the 3 together, and this is actually going to act as like a functional piece. I actually hung this up with like nails, so it's going to be super sturdy versus just hanging it up with the little hooks or whatever it came with. But I did secure these in the back with some popsicle sticks to make sure that it's going to have a really nice hold, but you could hang like a lightweight towel, a little piece of decor. But I really love how this turned out. I also found some ceramic ornaments. So I'm not sure if these are like technically ornaments, but they were just little signs with a hanger, and they had several different shapes. I am pairing these with some of my favorite rub-on transfers. This is just such an easy way to get all the little words and sayings on there and get to make this over. But this is so much fun. These will be perfect for Christmas time, getting to personalize them, make them as gifts for friends. You could put them on like gifts and make them like gift tags that they can reuse. It kind of has like the ceramic tile filling, so they will crack, I'm sure, if they're dropped, but I just made these out to look a little bit different but kind of coordinate, and just love how they turned out. Whenever they have like bigger signs like these houses, I grab them because they don't even need to be made over. I am pairing this with one of the larger $3 signs from the Dollar Tree Plus section, and I'm just flipping it over, and whenever you flip these signs over, it makes it look like it has an instant frame. So like I mentioned, this house is so gorgeous, has a little 3D metal piece on it, and just perfect as is. I just wanted it to make a little bit more of a statement, so make like a bigger statement piece than just hanging it on a thumbtack on the wall. So, like I mentioned, just flipping this sign over and then carefully not getting any paint on the frame, but painting the background white. I added some tower blocks so that this will really pop off of the back, or you can choose to just glue it directly down onto the back of the frame. But I really like how this turned out. I feel like it gives it a little bit of dimension and looks really, really cute. And then this just, I don't know, it just looks a lot bigger, and I am just so excited to find real wooden signs like this in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I thought these new little chalkboards were really, really pretty. I love that tiny little gingham print pattern, and it kind of just looks like fabric that's been kind of Mod Podged down. So I wanted to actually make this stand up. I am using just a wooden circle from Dollar Tree, as well as the handle of a toilet plunger. You could use anything that you would want. Walmart has tons of bigger dowel rods, or Hobby Lobby, that you could use instead. It's just one of the only things at Dollar Tree that I do grab, the toilet plunger handle, just because they don't have the bigger dowel rods. And then I screwed it into this wooden circle, and then painting this black, and this is going to act as a stand for my chalkboard. So covered it completely with the black paint, and then glued the chalkboard directly on the stand. And this looks so pretty. I added a few little greenery pieces at the top, but you could write anything that you want, or put like some Christmas greenery at the top, and really fix this up to match every season. I also found these little glass containers with a rope handle. How gorgeous are these? Whether it's sitting on a shelf and the little rope is hanging, or you are hanging this up on a hook, it is so, so cute. I wanted these to look more for Christmas because I'm kind of getting over decorating for fall and Halloween, and I know pretty soon we're going to be wanting to ramp up our Christmas crafting just so we can kind of be ahead. I stuck some faux snow down in there, as well as some LEDs, and then stuck a little piece of greenery in the hook. I didn't even glue down anything, so I'll be able to save these and repurpose them, but I thought this looked perfect, and I love all of the little shimmery snow. Perfect for this Christmas. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're seeing out at your Dollar Tree. Obviously, Christmas is hitting the stores like crazy now. I am not seeing like a ton of like brand new items, but the like normal Crafter Square Christmas items are out. So excited to keep like going back and finding them. But in this video, I was excited to get to use some items that were not fall items or specifically Christmas items, even though if I do kind of use them for each of the seasons, it would just be a fun, different video. Please leave me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.